That's because I love you and I hate seeing you upset.
Let's see how long this lasts. Pick up Priya.
I wanted to tell you about Sitha to avoid further problems.
Sitha, did you sleep well? How are you feeling today?
I'm still a bit tired, Ravi. I think it's the pregnancy. I read somewhere that the first few weeks are the hardest.
Sitha, have this milk with almonds. It's good for you and the baby.
Thank you, Ma. You're taking such good care of me.
Mom, let me help you with breakfast before I leave.
No, you go get ready. I'll manage. Sitha, if you need anything, just call me, okay?
Yes, Mom. Priya, everything's working perfectly. They're treating me like a queen.
Enjoy it while it lasts, madam. But be careful. Your mother-in-law is sharp.
Sitha has changed so much these days. Always on the phone, always tired. Is it really just the pregnancy, or is something else going on? Today, I'll find out what's really happening.
Don't worry. I'll handle her. Call you later.
Sitha, who were you talking to on the phone just now?
Ravi called me, Ma. He was just checking if I'm okay.
Mom, did you see my brown file? I forgot it here this morning. Yeah, there it is.
But Ravi just came home now, Sitha. How could he have called you from outside?
Oh, actually, I got confused. I was talking to my mom, not Ravi. I think I'm just a little forgetful these days. You know, pregnancy brain. Priya, that was close. Mother-in-law is getting suspicious. What should I do if she asks more questions?
Just stick to the story. If she asks for a doctor's visit, say you're too tired or scared.
Oh, my God, something is suspicious with whom she was talking. I think she is not pregnant. Sitha, I spoke to my friend whose daughter is a famous gynecologist. She wants to see you tomorrow for a special checkup, just to make sure everything is fine. Sitha, what are you thinking?
Mama. Tomorrow. I'm not feeling well, Mom. Maybe next week?
Don't worry, she's very gentle, and it's important for the baby's health, right?
I can't keep this up. Mother-in-law is too smart. If she takes me to the doctor, everything will be exposed. I have to do something drastic.
What? I am coming. How is she now, doctor?
She's conscious, but the injury has affected her speech. She can't talk for now, but she can understand everything.
Anu, you're here.
What happened to Mom? Who did this?
Anu, Mom had an accident and hit her head. The doctor says she can't speak now, but she's conscious.
Can we see her?
Yes, let's go. Mom, how are you feeling now? Doctor said you'll be fine soon. Don't worry, we're all here.
Aunt, you gave us such a scare, but you're strong. You'll recover in no time.
Mom, please get well soon. The house feels so empty without your voice.
Aunt, if you need anything, just signal me, okay? I'll understand.
We'll take care of everything at home, Mom. You just rest.
Yes, Mom. I'll look after you. I won't leave your side.
Don't strain yourself, Aunt. Take your time. We're here for you.
Why Anu is still inside? What is she talking?
Sitha, what are you thinking?
You wrote something. What do you want to tell?
About Mom, I am feeling sad about her. Does she know that I am the one who made her like that? Are they discussing about me?
Sita, accident not mistake lied. Faked pregnancy. Don't tell Ravi. Aunt, are you saying Sita caused your accident? But why she is doing all this? Let me tell Ravi. So you mean I shouldn't tell Ravi? But why? I believe you, Aunt. I'll find out the truth. Don't worry. If Auntie says Sita is involved, there must be something she's hiding. I need to know what happened on that road. Sita, can you show me exactly where Mom's accident happened? I want to understand how it occurred.
I think it was near the main road, by the temple. I wasn't there, but someone called me.
Who called you? Did you see Mom before the accident?
No. I was at home. The neighbor called me after it happened.
Come, madam, take vegetables, fresh vegetables.
Uncle, did you see the accident yesterday?
Yes, madam. A car came speeding, hit the lady, and drove off. It all happened so fast.
Did you tell me what exactly happened?
Yes, madam, the car was going the correct way when a white car came and crashed into the red car. As a result, the woman was thrown out of the window. We called an ambulance, and the police arrived and took her to the hospital.
Did you see who was driving?
A woman and a man, I think. She was wearing a yellow shirt. The car turned towards the market after the crash.
Thanks, Uncle. A man? Who was with Sita? Why would she hide this? If Aunt believes Sita is involved, I can't ignore it. I need to know what is happening. I should reveal everything with all proofs to Ravi.
You're back early, Ainu. Did you get everything from the market?
Yes, the vegetable uncle was talking about the accident. He said he saw you near the road that day.
Oh, maybe he's mistaken. I was at home. You know that.
He seemed sure. He also mentioned a man with you. Who was that?
Maybe he saw someone else. People imagine things after an accident.
The police are asking for witnesses about Emma's accident. They say there was a red car involved. But the truth always comes out, Sita. You don't worry. This is Sita's room. Let's see. I can find any clue. Whose mobile is this? Why it is here? Oh, I'm getting messages from an unknown number. Who is this? Meet me at the usual place. Oh my God, Sita is coming. I should leave this place as soon as possible.
Oh my God, how did I forget this mobile outside? Thank God, no one came.
Thank God, she did not see me. I should find who is the unknown person behind Sita. Sita, where are you going?
I'm just stepping out for some fresh air.
So late? Do you want me to come with you?
No, I'll be back soon.
Where is she going now? Something is fishy. I should follow her.
Where is he?
For whom she is waiting here? Who is he?
Why did you ask me to come here? It's risky.
I had to see you. Are you okay? Is anyone suspecting?
No one knows, but I can't keep lying to them forever.
Just a little longer. We'll figure this out. Did you get my message?
Yes, but I was scared someone would see.
Yes, this will be proof of her crime.
Don't worry, I'll handle everything about the accident.
So this is the secret you've been hiding, Sita. But what accident are they talking about?
Take care, Sita. Let me know if anything happens.
I will. Please be careful.
Who is this guy? Why is Sita meeting him in secret? Hello, Renew. Can you come over? I need your help with something important.
Is everything okay? Anu, you sound worried.
I just found out something about Sitha. I don't know what to do.
Don't panic. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Just wait for me.
Thanks, Renew. I really need someone to talk to. Let's meet at usual cafe.
Yeah, coming. What's going on? Anu, you sounded tense.
Look at this. Do you recognize him?
Him? He looks familiar. Wait, isn't he the guy who works at the mobile shop near the bus stand?
Really? Are you sure?
I think so. I've seen him there a couple of times. Why do you have his photo?
I saw Sitha meeting him last night. They were talking secretly. Something's going on.
Do you think Sitha's in trouble?
I don't know, but I need to find out who he is and what's happening between them.
Should we go to the shop and check?
Yes, let's go tomorrow. I need answers.
There he is, Anu. That's the guy from your photo.
And wait, is that Sitha with him?
You promised me this wouldn't get complicated. Why are you calling me again and again?
I just wanted to make sure you're okay. You know how I feel, Sitha.
Someone might see us. Please stop coming here.
I can't help it. I miss you.
This is serious, Anu. Should we do something?
Not yet. We need to know the whole truth first.
What do we do now?
We wait. There's more to this than we thought.
Hello.
Did you meet her?
Yes, she's scared. I don't think she'll talk to me again.
You know what's at stake, Kiran. Don't mess this up.
I'm not trying to mess anything up, but she's under a lot of pressure.
We need her cooperation. Remind her what she stands to lose.
I don't want to hurt her.
That's not your decision. Do what you're told.
Anu, I'm worried. What if Sitha's in real danger?
We have to help her. But first, we need to find out who that guy really is and what he wants from Sitha.
Anu, you're here so early. Is everything okay?
Can we talk, Sitha? It's important.
Yes.
I saw you yesterday at the mobile shop with that man.
So, is it a crime to talk to someone? You seem to have a lot of time to watch others, Anu.
You looked upset. I'm worried about you.
Maybe you should mind your own business.
Sitha, I'm your friend. If something's wrong, you can tell me.
Not everything is about you, Anu. Stay out of things you don't understand. I have things to do. Don't come here again unless you have something important to say.
What happened? Did she tell you anything?
No, she acted like I was the problem. She's hiding something, Renew. I could see it in her eyes.
Then we need to find out what it is. If she won't talk, we'll have to get proof ourselves.
You're right. Let's keep an eye on her. Maybe we'll catch her meeting that guy again.
We'll follow her tomorrow. And this time, we'll get answers.
Bye, we'll meet tomorrow.
There she goes. Let's keep our distance.
Yes, let's get closer. Stay close, but don't let her see us.
That's the guy from the photo, right? Got it. This could be the proof we need. Let's get out of here before they notice us. Look at Sitha's face. She looks scared, not angry.
But why would she take something from him if she's afraid of him? What's in that envelope?
Maybe it's money, or a letter, or something else.
We need to find out what's inside. If we can get Sitha alone, maybe we can search her bag or ask her directly.
Or we could follow that guy next time. He might lead us to whoever's really behind this.
Let's do both. Tomorrow, I'll try to talk to Sitha again. Maybe catch her off guard. You keep an eye on that guy.
He seems nervous. Who is he talking to? He was acting strange at the park. I got a photo. Need to show Anu.
Did you see anything?
Yes, he was in the park, acting really nervous. He was on the phone, looking around like he was scared someone was watching.
He's definitely hiding something. Did you hear what he said?
No, I was too far away. But he left in a hurry after the call.
Maybe we should follow him next time. Or maybe we should try talking to him directly.
Do you think he'll tell us anything?
I don't know, but we have to try. We're running out of time.
Oh my God, they are here. Who are they? Why are they following me?
Excuse me, can we talk to you for a minute?
I'm in a hurry.
Maybe another time.
It's important. We know you met Sita yesterday. We saw you give her something.
You don't understand. Please, just leave it alone.
We want to help Sita, but we need to know what's going on.
It's not safe to talk here. Meet me at the old library after sunset. I'll explain everything.
Should we trust him?
We don't have a choice. Let's go.
You came. Good. Listen, I didn't want to get involved, but I had no choice.
That's enough, Kieran.
Please, I was just trying to help.
You talk too much.
Take that envelope. Everything you need to know is inside. Trust no one, not even Sita.